대지진과 쓰나미를 보면서 이제 인간의 기본적인 권리인 안전에 대한 욕구가 이 시대 중요 화두라는 점은 누구나 공감할 것입니다. 각종 재난, 재해로부터의 해방, 국가적 책임 이전에 우리 스스로가 미리 대처하고 대응하는 것도 중요합니다. 그럼 내 가족과 이웃을 지키기 위해서 어떻게 행동해야 하는지 지금부터 알아볼까요?
The war in the movie is very tense and spectacle. However, the real war is the other way around. The outbreak of the war in Iraq in 22nd March 2003, 223,000, which is an enormous number of people, died during only 26 days of war. What if this kind of war happens here, where we live? Other than wars, what should we do when all kinds of disasters threaten our lives? The air raid warning is issued with a hanging or ongoing attack by the enemy's airplane, including ABC weapons or guided missiles. Under the air raid warning, we have to promptly evacuate nearby underground shelter or subway station. All cars in operation should be parked at empty spaces or right lanes on the road to spare for emergency lanes. And all passengers should be evacuated to the safe places. At the evacuation point, we have to keep public order and follow instructions of administration agencies listening to broadcasting.
상상만 해도 무섭고 아찔한 전시 상황. 물론 일어나선 안 될 일이겠지만 혹시나 있을 상황에 대비해서 행동 사항을 꼭 숙지한다면 인명 피해는 최소화시킬 수 있겠죠.
Shaking only 15 seconds, the ground was cracked and people lost where to stand. High-rise buildings are dropped into the ground, and the earthquake terrorized the whole world. The whole world is shaking. Is the Korean Peninsula safe in the world's continuing earthquakes?
퇴근 시간 무렵 수도권 일대 진도 3.0 규모의 지진이 발생했습니다.
On 9 February 2010, a series of breaking news about the earthquake in Siheung, Gyeonggi Province came out. The shock from the Siheung earthquake was even felt in Seoul.
방에 들어놓여 있었는데 뭐가 거룩 하고 지나가는 거.
천둥 치는 소리 들려가지고 천둥인가 했는데 옆에 꼬마애가 엄마 지진 났다고 그래가지고 그냥 도망가야 되나 그냥 그 생각 들었는데.
Most of the experts say that the Siheung earthquake is exceptional.
우리나라 수도권은 큰 지진이 발생된 사례가 잘 없습니다. 그런데 이번에 경기도 시흥에서 규모 3의 지진이 발생을 해서 앞으로도 수도권에 더 큰 지진이 발생될 가능성이 있는 거로 이렇게 생각이 됩니다.
What is the earthquake that makes the whole world a hell in a second? Earthquake is the result of a sudden release of energy that brings a crack into a huge rock under the ground and makes the ground quake. Earth consists of several plates and moving plates. These plates cause an earthquake. If so, does earthquake only occur to the boundary of plates? Sichuan has been getting ratings for relatively safe location of inside the Earth. However, only 2 years ago, an earthquake of magnitude 8.0 took the lives of 80,000 people.
우리나라도 이제 판 경계에서 약간 떨어진 판 내부 지역이긴 합니다만 중국 스촨성 같은 지역이 판 내부 지역에서 발생된 지진입니다. 그래서 우리나라도 반드시 지진에 안전하다 라고 말할 수만은 없는 상황입니다.
The Korean Peninsula used to occur annual average earthquake only 42 times. However, it occurred 60 times in last year, which made a new record. She came to visit the testing ground to check up the earthquake magnitude. First, an earthquake of magnitude 3.0, which is the same as the earthquake in Sihung in Gyeonggi. She feels some vibration, but she keeps writing on the national anthem, maintaining her balance with a calm attitude. After a while, the female experimenter is frustrated by the same magnitude, 7.0, as the Haitian earthquake. Far from writing down the national anthem, she had to stop the experiment, losing her balance.
이거는 제가 이거를 써야 되겠다는 그것보다도 제가 이러다가 죽는 게 아닌가 이런 생각이 들 정도로 정말 너무 무서웠고.
3 magnitude of vibration only can be felt by people with exquisite sensitivity. 5 magnitude of vibration growing up with shaking buildings and waking people up. 7 magnitude of vibration has huge destructive power to destroy buildings and have a crack at the land. What would happen if severe earthquake occurs in Sihung? We've investigated the extent of damage through a simulated earthquake. Magnitude 6.5 earthquake kills 3,000 people and injures 45,000 people. 2,500 buildings have been destroyed again. It took almost the same as the Haitian earthquake. The Haitian earthquake of magnitude 7.0. It is a very well-known fact that collapsed buildings are the heaviest damage during earthquakes. Around the same time, an earthquake of magnitude 8.8 hit Chile. However, it was quite different than the damage between two countries. People say earthquakes do not kill people, but buildings do. The Chilean earthquake was 1,000 times stronger than the Haitian, but the death toll was only 1 by 700. Chile could lessen human victims with earthquake-resistant designs through their experiences of frequent earthquakes. After the Hongseong earthquake of magnitude in 1978, we introduced the earthquake-resistant design recognized danger from them. However, 9 out of 10 buildings in Seoul do not have earthquake-resistant designs. In other words, they are not safe from earthquakes. Therefore, the national emergency plans to strengthen earthquake-resistant designs of all kinds of public and private buildings. With rising interest in earthquakes, the buildings based on seismic isolation is an issue.
연진 장치를 이용해 가지고 하부층 구조물과 상부층 구조물을 분리시킴으로써 지진 횡력을 하부층에서 전담하고 상부층에는 지진 횡력을 75%에서 90% 정도 줄여주는 그런 공법이라고 생각하시면 되겠습니다.
Seismic isolation system. Decouple the ground from buildings, installing rubber seismic isolation system in between buildings and ground or each floor in buildings. This is the principle that enables buildings to quake flexibly and brings buildings back in place when quaking stops. It is obvious that the buildings with seismic isolation system have less quaking. Once an earthquake occurs, it does great damage to humans. Then what should we do when an earthquake happens to us? Let's find out how to evacuate from earthquakes. At first, we can prevent a fire by blocking electricity and gas at home. Then we can cover our head up hiding under the table. If there is no table, we can protect our head with pillows. However, an earthquake with a magnitude over 7.0, the buried under the table. In this case, we have to hide in a triangle-shaped space made from collapsing roof, so called the triangle of life. It is made when it is hanging from collapsed roof. In case of the outside, it is off limits to hide under buildings. You have to evacuate from pillars or signs of buildings to protect your head. It is dangerous to move to cars when an earthquake occurs.
이동하는 것은 위험하다.
Park your cars on the road right side and escape from cars promptly. Then hide yourself next to cars. Also, when shaking stops, you have to promptly evacuate from buildings to the playground.
이번 지진 해일은 높이가 최고 10m에 달하는 초대형 쓰나미였습니다. 마치 거대한 벽이 움직이듯 밀어닥치는 모습은 공포 그 자체였습니다.
강진 직후 일본 연안에는 최대 10m 높이의 대형 지진 해일이 강타했습니다.
네, 지진 해일은 무서운 기세로 집과 배, 차량들을 집어삼켰고 마을은 순식간에 쑥대밭이 되어버렸습니다.
지진이 오면 해일을 동반하는 경우가 많은데요. 바닷물이 비정상적으로 높아져 육지로 넘쳐 들어온 현상이 바로 해일입니다. 이 해일이 발생할 때 나타나는 현상은 어떤 것이 있을까요?
In general, the 3 to 4 meter high tsunami comes to reach in the eastern coast, caused from an earthquake of magnitude over 7.0 in Western Japan earthquake zone. The waters are receding and beginning to show its bottom and moving backward along the stream. When it comes to the land, it is faster than people can move. Adults cannot walk with only about 30 centimeters high tsunami, and buildings can be destroyed with a 1 meter high tsunami. If you understand phenomena of tsunami well, would it be helpful for evacuations? If so, what should we do when a tsunami occurs?
지진해일 경보가 발령하게 되면 자신이 살고 있는 지역에서 가장 높은 곳 그리고 가장 바다에서 먼 곳으로 대피해야 됩니다. 예를 들면 인근 야산 정상이라든가 4층 이상 건물 높이로 대피해야지만 지진 해일에 안전할 수 있습니다.
Besides, the operating ships should be moved to far and deep sea from the coast in case of earthquake.
지진으로 인한 2차 피해도 많이 발생하는데요. 일본의 원전 사태 이후 방사능 누출에 대한 걱정이 많습니다. 자, 그럼 방사능이 누출되었을 때에는 어떻게 해야 할까요?
In case of the radiation leak, cover your whole body with clothes or raincoat. Do not expose your skin. Then evacuate to sealed place, down the wind if possible. After evacuating, fill up the crack of the door airtight. Try to avoid food intake as food might be contaminated. Follow the instructions of the concerned parties, not acting individually. Korea is completely influenced by a typhoon and a localized heavy rain caused from a tropical cyclone. Scary typhoon coming with strong wind and a localized heavy rain which completely destroys houses, roads, and mountains.
온통 물바다로 변했습니다.
안이한 대처가 피해를 크게 만들었습니다.
Sudden and unexpected downpours in a short time, as a guerrilla takes a number of lives and properties away. We can minimize damage if we can prepare for natural disasters, such as storm and wind. First of all, in the areas prone to floods, try to secure the available supply in case of emergency, and stock with batteries to listen to the radio of emergency food supply. In case of expecting strong wind, you can be safe from second accident by pieces of broken glass if you put tape on the window crisscross. It is important to know about the designated evacuation places and the ways to contact your neighbors and phone numbers of administrative agencies nearby. Especially in the city, be aware of a drainage system and try to repair fences, plumb blocks in advance in case of collapsing.
태풍이나 집중
Under heavy rain or damage from wind due to typhoon or concentrated heavy rain, you can have protect the old, children, and pregnant women first. You also have to block gas and electricity at home to prevent a fire. The parking cars near streams need to be moved to safe upland. When we have to drive cars, try to avoid flooding places and use a well-known road and drive safely with low gear. When you evacuate damage from wind, you need to avoid streams or dangerous area for landslide. Also, campers need to evacuate promptly and bend their knees and avoid possible falling of a thunderbolt when lightning occurs. Under disaster warning, act calmly with the following announcement. When meeting disasters, do not act too hard and wait for the 119 rescue in a safe place.
이처럼 우리에게 막대한 피해를 주는 풍수해. 사람의 힘으로 막을 수는 없지만 철저한 대비로 피해를 최소화할 수는 있습니다.
오늘 부산의 한 실내 사격장에서 불이 났는데
The fire in an indoor shooting range in Busan International Market on the 14th November 2011 astounded all citizens. In case of the fire, there were more victims as they couldn't find the emergency exit. Let's find the way to handle a fire to save many people. Checking a fire escape or the emergency exit in advance are the basic and important way to protect yourself from a fire. When you evacuate a fire, you have to use steps instead of elevators. And evacuate to a rooftop if possible. Try to touch doorknobs before you open the door to see if it's hot or not, and evacuate to be safe. It is also important to protect the respiratory tract from harmful gas by filling mouth and nose and wearing clothes or towels. Especially in the place with lots of smoke, bend your knees at the lowest, protecting your respiratory tract, and evacuate to safety zone. In case of evacuation, follow instructions or guidance of exit in order so that you can prevent second accidents. There was a fire in the subway, Line 1 in Daegu on the 18th February in 2003. Killed 192 people and injured 147 people. An immediate cause was a fire, but the fact that passengers could not evacuate promptly brought many human victims. The thing we have to focus on is that this kind of accident can happen to anyone at any time. And we have to be aware of how to deal with this emergency. In case of a fire in the subway stations, at first let crew know about a fire and call to 119. Emergency phone is located in the middle of the right-hand wall in the passage connecting passengers' cars. When using emergency phone, open the box and take out microphone and talk to crew pushing the button on microphone when the light is on. At this time, if you can let crew know about the number of passenger car, we can deal with it faster. At the engine room, in case of using microphone of emergency phone, a warning bell rings and let crew know. Through the announcement of crew, you can evacuate accordingly. When you call to 119 Rescue, you have to inform them where you are going and which stations it stops at if a train is running. If you think that a fire is under control, try to put it down using an extinguisher placed in the train. A fire extinguisher is placed in both ends of seating for reserve. There are 2 in total. When using an extinguisher, loosen the fixing pin and take it out. Then pull out the safety pin and hose to place with a fire. Grip the knob and sprinkle around a fire as if sweeping. If the doors are not open when you try to escape in the train, you need to open the door by your hand to escape. The hand-operated bar in case of emergency for doors are placed under the chairs next to the doors. If you pull the bar after opening the cover, you can open the door with hands. When escaping the train, open the screen door with hands and evacuate promptly to get in the platform equipped with screen doors.
스크린 도어는 승객용 출입문을 이용해서 하차하실 수 있는 방법과 비상문을 이용해서 하차하실 수 있는 두 가지 방법이 있습니다. 열차 출입문과 스크린 도어 문이 일치하면 승객용 출입문을 이용하여 하차하실 수 있으며 열차가 정위치에 정차하지 못하여 출입문으로 하차하실 수 없는 경우에는 비상문을 통하여 하차하시면 되겠습니다. 승객용 출입문의 경우는 스크린 도어 중간에 위치한 그 레바를 안쪽에서 바깥쪽으로 젖히고 내리는 형태로 되어 있으며 비상문의 경우는 중단부에 있는 가로막대 형태의 그 패닉 바를 승강장 쪽으로 밀고 나오시면 되겠습니다. 사용 방법에 대한 숙지를 하여 놓으신다면 비상시 및 대피 시에 승객분들께 많은 도움이 되리라 생각됩니다.
Then what do we do when we find out a fire in the subway stations? There is emergency phone in the subway stations. Emergency phone is connected to the office so that it can communicate of emergency like a fire. When using emergency phone, pick up the phone and press the call button. Then you can talk to staff in the office over the phone. When escaping from the stations, you have to move bending your knees at a lowest, covering your mouth and nose with wet clothes, or your handkerchief if harmful gas starts leaking. There is air left at the bottom at the beginning of fire as harmful gas tends to go up. So it is important to move bending your knees at a lowest. At this time, the exit is easily approachable towards the lamp placed on the floor, a pillar, and on the wall. When using gas masks, break a window of the box of masks with emergency hammer and take out the mask cutting the wrapping paper. Turn mask inside out, placing lenses down and covering your face. At this time, tie head enough with a string at the back to prevent harmful gas. At last, fill the outside hole of the gas canisters breathing in. If it works okay airtightly, evacuate promptly. In case of Yoinaru, Chungjongno, stations which are under 30 meters depth stations, you have to evacuate to tunnel with emergency ladders following the railroad. When occurring a fire in subway stations, the most important thing is handling it with a calm attitude to minimize human victims. To do so, we have to be aware of the location of equipment and practice enough to escape in case of emergency.
시민의 발 지하철 안전사수를 위해 필요한 것은 뭐니 해도 우리들의 안전의식입니다. 많은 사람들이 이용하는 지하철. 기본만 잘 알고 지킨다면 더 이상의 사고는 없습니다.
The residential high-rise building, the symbol of a high civilization. What if there's a fire in the building you are in? What do you do? If a fire occurs in the basement where you were in, not knowing reasons, what about our ability to cope with emergency, even threatening our life? Our choice and every movement influence our lives. In a desperately dangerous situation, what do we do? Comparative analysis. In a case of high-rise building fire versus basement fire. Rapid civilization of accelerate, a high-rise building and skyscraper, has become a symbol of national competitiveness. Also, underground facilities, such as Noribang, DVD rooms, etc., have become part of an architectural style. Two buildings arising tremendous disasters, or a heap of ashes facing a fire. So far, the fire in high-rise building and in basement have had a lot of damage and human victims. From blaze of Daeyeon-gak Hotel to the fire on Busan Norae-jugung, the fire on high-rise building and in basement is increasing. 50% of the reasons of those fires are carelessness. It's more surprising that fires caused by arson are increasing. Faced the increase of fires caused by arson in high-rise building and in basement, we come to need to know how to deal with it by ourselves. Then compare methods and preferred instructions on fire in each case. In case of fire on high-rise building and basement, find out your location, find out the fire spot. A lot of blaze on high-rise buildings have happened not only in Korea, but also in many countries. We have had nothing to do with facing to these catastrophes. Only one single fire accident devastates everything we've made, fire on high-rise building. But if you know how to handle it, the risk can be reduced. When the fire breaks out, you have about 3 to 5 minutes to escape. It is the most important to find out your location. We call chimney effect, which is a phenomenon that air rises up vertically. At this moment, let's find out how to evacuate. First of all, use emergency stairs. Escape from the smoke. Otherwise, go on rooftop. Now, how are we going to do when a fire on basement? First of all, find out where the fire started. When a fire breaks out on basement, escape to direction against from fire starting point, where the air enters. Suffocation is the most dangerous cause of death when the fire occurs. Bend your body into the level of clear air and low as possible, with wet towel on mouth and nose to prevent lungs from smoke. High-rise building versus basement. Open the door versus close the door. Think your location when a fire breaks out in a high-rise building. When a fire breaks out in the isolated place, check out the state of door and window. When open, it's important to close them and escape as soon as possible. Oxygen could make the fire to be spread. It's often that you are isolated place when a fire breaks out in the basement. Turn on emergency lantern and open the door. Then escape as soon as possible. The most important thing is escaping from the isolated place. It is common that many people were suffocated to death during hesitation. Do not ever take the elevator. Run to the exit. It's difficult to extinguish a fire on high-rise 50-plus floor building. Let's find out what to keep in mind when it's on fire. Don't forget that all elevators stop when a fire breaks out on the structure. So the only way to evacuate from the basement is to find out an exit. Therefore, whenever you come into basement, you must check out the exit. Besides that, we should know where to find and how to use the gas mask, outdoor elevator, and respirator to save your life. Especially, find out how to use outside elevator between 3rd and 10th floor. Make sure that the elevator hook is well hung on the ring. Hang a belt on the chest. Throw out the rope out of window and go down by rotting on the walls safely. Find out the location of outdoor elevator in buildings you visit often. Finally, how to evacuate in fire. Check out the temperature of door by the back of hand. When door is hot, do not open the door. Cover cracks by curtain to prevent smoke. There is no safe zone from fire in the world. Fire, irreversible catastrophe. First of all, we need some skills in order to evacuate in safety with calmness.
작은 실수도 순식간에 대형 재난으로 이어질 수 있는 화재. 우리의 관심이 화재를 예방할 수 있습니다. 화재는 예기치 못하게 언제 어디서든 일어날 수 있습니다. 정말 생각만 해도 몸서리가 쳐지는데요. 이렇게 다급한 상황에서 소화기 사용법을 몰라 허둥대게 된다면 자칫 대형 사고로 이어질 수 있습니다. 자, 적을 알면 백전백승, 소화기를 알면 불을 이길 수 있다. 지금부터 소화기 사용법에 대해서 자세히 알려드리겠습니다.
When a fire breaks out, first of all, you must get rid of safety pin. One hand takes a fire extinguisher, and the other takes off safety pin. Turn back from the wind and take off the hose. Come up to the fire and then push the hand grip of fire extinguisher. You spread powder from fire extinguisher all over fire. It's not hard, is it?
쉬워 보인다고요? 보기에는 물론 그렇게 보일지 모르지만 평소에 시험해보거나 작동해보지 않으면 누구나 실수를 할 수 있습니다. 자, 그렇다면 소화기 사용 시 주의해야 될 점, 지금부터 점검해볼까요?
If you try to get rid of safety pins like this, it does not fall out. You have to take off the pin, taking fire extinguisher by another hand, so you don't have to hold grip of the main body of the fire extinguisher. Then, pull tight fire extinguisher and pull the safety pin. What is the second hinge? As I said before, turn back from the wind, tend your arms and body, and situate the hose at the direction of the fire. Finally, spread fire extinguisher powder as wide and equally as possible. Because powder fire extinguisher puts out fire by stopping oxygen supply. So it's effective to spread powder in order to put out, like you cover the fire by something.
그럼 소화기는 뿌리는 것만 있느냐? 아닙니다. 제가 어린이, 노약자, 그리고 장애인분들을 위해서 준비한 소화기가 있습니다. 바로 투척식 소화기. 신통방통한 투척식 소화기에 대해서 알아보고 넘어가도록 하겠습니다.
The fire extinguisher ball is an extinguisher that we throw or roll into a fire to put out. How to use. After taking off the cover, it's operated by throwing or rolling it into a fire. Let's try.
일반 소화기보다 훨씬 간편하고 수월하겠죠? 하지만 투척식 소화기를 사용할 때에도 몇 가지 알아야 할 점이 있다고 합니다.
When you put off a fire on such a paper, it's recommended to throw it on the wall or the bottom near the burning object. When you put off fire on such a wood, it's recommended to throw it on burning stuff itself. In case of oil fire, you don't have to throw it into a fire, but the surroundings like on the wall or on the bottom. It's effective to cover the surroundings. You don't have to forget some notices when you use fire extinguisher bowl. You'd better install fire extinguisher bowl under 1.5 meters height so you can find and use easier. And because fire extinguisher bowl is fragile when fall down to bottom, please conserve it in a protector or cover.
네, 어떠셨나요? 감이 팍팍 오신다고요? 하지만 막상 불이 나면 당황하기 쉬우니까요. 집에서 연습 많이 하셔서 내 집도 지키고 또 가문대대로 물려줄 용감한 시민상도 한번 꿈꿔보시기 바랍니다. 생명을 살리는 사분, 심폐소생술에 대해서 알아보겠습니다.
Time is the most important on CPR. Even breath stop, life could be conserved for 6 minutes because oxygen exists still in our body. So even after heart and lungs stop working, CPR can resuscitate them in 4 minutes. CPR. how to exercise it.
여보세요? 괜찮으세요?
First of all, we have to check out the patient is conscious.
유도선과 유도선 사이에 놓고 손바닥 뒤꿈치를 송골의 정확한 가운데 위치에 놓습니다.
We press hard 30 times for one sequence, 100 to 120 times per minute by wrist on right angle.
한 손은 이마에 대고 다른 한 손은 턱에 대서 기도를 개방하고
After this action, we do CPR with the secured airway. We keep doing CPR at least for 4 minutes. Why don't you exercise CPR in advance?
지금까지 보신 안전에 관한 지식들은 여러분들이 평소 밥 먹고 씻고 잠자는 것처럼 자연스럽게 경험하고 또 익혀야 할 것들입니다. 나와 내 가족, 그리고 더 나아가 우리의 안전을 지키기 위해서는 여러분 한 사람 한 사람의 관심과 노력이 필요할 것입니다.